Hello, Algebra students, and welcome to week 7. This week we're going to finish off chapter 2 and have our test at the end of the week on Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will be spending time on 2-9 weighted averages. Now, if you're struggling with this in any way, there are multiple video resources for you to watch through and practice problems. So remember, with so many resources on the Schoology, use those videos to help you to understand weighted averages. On Thursday, you'll see that there is a review. Please complete this review prior to Thursday and enter your answers prior to Thursday. That way you have plenty of time to ask questions regarding the test material. Good luck on your test on Friday. Have a great week.